Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am making this twin pouch with a single zipper with a small pocket in between the pouches. Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Now let's get started. For the pouch, I have taken two rectangular pieces of main fabric, two pieces of interfacing. Here I have taken duck canvas, you can use fusible interface as well, and two pieces of lining fabric. All these pieces are of same dimensions, 11 inches across 18 inches. First, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing like this and give straight stitch on all four sides. Once done, it will look something like this. The purpose of using interfacing is to give stiffness for the pouch. You can use fusible interfacing as well. Next, I am going to place the lining fabric on top of the main fabric with its right sides facing each other like this. Now I'll start stitching from this point and give straight stitches on all four sides, leaving 3 to 4 inches unstitched. Now it's done. I've done this for both the pieces of the main fabric. Now I'm going to cut the corner pieces like this. Now through this gap, I am going to turn it inside out. Now I am going to iron it, and I am going to stitch this 3-4 inch gap by giving a top stitch on all four sides. Now it's done. I have given the top stitch as well. Next I am going to place them one on top of the other with their right sides facing each other like this. And on one of the sides, I am going to mark a point 2.5 inches from the top, another point 2.5 inches from the bottom like this, and I am going to draw a line 4 inches long on these points like this. Now I'll join the lines. Now I'll give a straight stitch along these lines. Once done, it will look something like this. This way the two pieces are joined together. Next I am going to take a zipper whose length is equal to the length of this side, and I am going to add 3 more inches to it. Now I am going to make a zipper tab for one of the ends of the zipper. For that I have taken a rectangular fabric of length 4 inches and width 2 inches. To make the zipper tab, on the wrong side, I am going to fold these two sides 1 centimeter inwards like this. Next I am going to fold it in half with its right sides facing each other like this. And I'll place the zipper inside this tab, and I'm going to draw 2 lines to get the width of the zipper like this. Now I'll give straight stitch on these 2 lines. Now it's done. Now I'll turn it inside out. Now I'm going to insert the zipper into this tab and give a top stitch. Now it's done. Now I'm going to stitch the zipper on the other two sides. For that, I'm going to fold the zipper into small triangle like this and place it right below the main fabric like this. I'm using sewing clips to keep them in place. Now I'm going to give a top stitch on this side. Now it's done. The zipper is attached to one of the sides. Now I'll repeat the same steps and attach the zipper to the other side as well. Now it's done. Now I'm going to finish these sides by giving top stitch. Now it's done. This is how it's going to look like from the top. Two pouches with a small pocket in the middle. You can use the pouch as it is, but I want to give a wide base for these pouches. For that, I'm going to pull the pouch inside out and I'm going to spread one of these corners like this and mark a point 1 inch from the corner like this. I'll draw a straight line along this point and give a straight stitch on this line. Similarly, I'm going to do the same step for the rest of the corners. Now it's done. You can see the wide base here. And our twin pouch is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.